Recently, a Yamaha Ténéré 250 appeared which has a 70s design. The wheels were replaced with a new set of aluminum ones, with a smaller 19 inches front wheel for quicker handling and sturdy multi-purpose tires. The bike now features a sump guard, new high-mounted front fender, LED headlights, and a stainless exhaust. Riders get a nice set of fat bars in the cockpit, and a classic Yamaha speed block livery in yellow and black, made from paint, not vinyl. Since 1990, most Tenere engines have been large, two-cylinder engines. But in South America, riders have access to the Yamaha XTZ 250 Tenere, which is a baby adventure bike. It offered a 21 horsepower air-cooled single-cylinder engine, 21 inches and 18 inches wheel sets, and suspension travel of 9.4 inches at the front and 7.8 inches at the rear. The 4.2-gallon tank means a range of 280 miles, and the bike weighs about 300 pounds dry. The XTZ 250 Tenere is a capable trail bike with a low weight and relatively stiff suspension. It's a versatile bike that can easily escape the city for an adventurous weekend in the wild. Although this baby Tenere has all-round performance, it always lacks the aggressive character and rally style of its bigger brothers, such as the Tenere 700 and XT12OZ Super Tenere. Recently, a customer brought Marcelo Oberio of STG Tracker Argentina an eco-friendly, low-mileage 2018 Tenere 250 with just these issues in mind. When talking to clients, he wanted the bike to look more aggressive, so we looked for the Tenere 700 Rally Edition, and there it was. Marcelo says the bike rides much better with its beefy bars and 19 inches front wheel, and he's especially proud of the speed block design his painter, Alejandro Minisale, managed to create on the heavily curved tank cover, remembering the Enduro of the 70s. Overall, this bike makes us wish Yamaha would put out a Tenere 250 Rally Edition and sell it.